Hey everyone, investors, business owners, and real estate fans. I'm Dean and welcome back to the channel where we make real estate easy to understand. Today we're breaking down the first quarter 2025 GTA Industrial Market Report. Let's get started. Now you might be thinking, Dean, the economy's been a little shaky lately. Isn't that impacting real estate? And you wouldn't be wrong to wonder. But here's the thing. Toronto's industrial market is proving to be incredibly resilient, especially in the central areas. We're talking Scarborough, North York, Etobicoke. These areas are holding strong. And the reason? Location, location, location. Think about it. These areas are strategically positioned near major highways, transit lines, and a massive pool of potential employees. That's a trifecta that businesses just can't ignore. It's all about convenience and efficiency. And when it comes to industrial real estate, those factors are worth their weight in gold. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at the numbers. A warehouse in Scarborough recently sold for a whopping $433 per square foot. That's practically prime real estate for industrial use. It just goes to show you the demand we're seeing in these key areas. The availability rate is sitting at 3.3%. When it comes to average rent, we're looking at $16.66 per square foot. Sale prices are averaging around $382 per square foot. Buyers, this could be your chance. So, how are businesses adapting to this market? Tenants are getting seriously creative. We're seeing a lot of subleasing, companies consolidating their operations to save on space, and some serious negotiation tactics to secure discounts. And you know what? It's working. Landlords are feeling the pressure too. They're offering incentives like free rent periods, upgrades, and build-outs to attract and keep tenants happy. I recently heard about a tenant who managed to secure a 20% rent reduction just by committing to a longer lease term. For investors, with prices back down to 2019 levels, there are some serious opportunities emerging. Patience could lead to some incredible deals in the industrial market. Let's zoom in on some specific submarkets, starting with Scarborough. This area is on fire, with 8 industrial properties changing hands this quarter alone. That's a clear sign of high demand. Next up, we have North York, which is commanding premium rents, with some spaces going for as high as $28.75 per square foot. Clearly, location is everything in this market. And then, we have Etobicoke. This submarket is particularly interesting because it offers some of the most affordable lease rates in the entire GTA. I'm talking as low as $4.68 per square foot. For businesses looking for value and accessibility, Etobicoke is definitely worth a closer look. The industrial landscape is evolving, and we're seeing some really cool trends emerging. One of the biggest is adaptive reuse. Old warehouses and industrial spaces are getting complete makeovers, transforming into modern, multi-purpose facilities. Take, for example, the property at 71 Maybrook Drive in Scarborough. It was completely revamped into a state-of-the-art logistics hub. They raised the ceilings, added office space, and took advantage of smart zoning regulations. And guess what? They're now commanding 20% higher rents than before. Another trend I'm really excited about is the rise of industrial condos. Instead of having to lease or buy an entire warehouse, businesses can now purchase a portion of a larger building. It's like shared ownership for industrial space, making it much more accessible and affordable. So, what does the rest of 2025 have in store for the GTA industrial market? Here are my predictions. First, expect to see some downward pressure on rents, particularly in the Class B and C categories. We could see drops of 5 to 7% by Q3. This is good news for tenants who are looking for more affordable options. Second, keep an eye out for the tech sector. As technologies like AI and automation continue to advance, we're going to see more tech companies seeking out smaller industrial spaces for research and development. And finally, with the upcoming election, I predict we'll see a greater emphasis on green initiatives in the industrial sector. So there you have it, a snapshot of the GTA industrial market in 2025. Whether you're buying, leasing, or just curious about the market, remember that knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay flexible, and adapt to the ever-changing real estate landscape. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future real estate insights. Shifting travel demand equals sign-shifting business hubs. Need a prime location to capitalize on new opportunities? Contact me and my team today. Thanks for tuning in and see you next video.